What compels a blue-chip conglomerate to pass up buying its own undervalued stock, to double down instead on a battered subsidiary? Ayala Corporation's latest move sends a bold signal. Rather than executing buybacks of its parent shares in 2026, Ayala has earmarked 5 billion pesos to acquire more of Ayala Land, a subsidiary still weighed down by market doubts, despite a recent rebound. This isn't just tactical maneuvering, it's a direct declaration. Ayala sees deeper value inside its own ranks, and it's staking capital on that conviction. Ayala Land, once a premium darling, fell nearly 25% this year. Weak residential demand, high borrowing costs, and slow asset turnover have kept investors on edge. First quarter profits plunged 23%, with revenues slipping 14%. Questions mounted. Is this a cyclical setback or the start of a structural decline? Ayala responded with action. Steadily, it bought millions of ALI shares, initially at bargain levels, then at higher prices as the stock recovered, absorbing nearly 1 billion pesos by late July. The willingness to keep accumulating, even as prices rose, highlights a long-term outlook. Ayala believes the market's pain is temporary, the discount too severe to ignore. There's financial logic in play. ALI's dividend payouts, almost triple Ayala's 2026 share purchase outlay, create a self-replenishing loop. Ayala can recycle cash flows from ALI back into growing its stake, compounding its future claims on earnings and dividends. But this strategy is not without risk. Buybacks can tighten share counts and signal confidence, but they don't reverse property market headwinds. ALI must eventually revive core earnings for this bet to pay off. Yet Ayala remains undeterred, choosing to concentrate capital where it sees mispriced value. It's a defining capital allocation decision. Rather than spread bets or retreat to safety, Ayala has turned toward the uncertainty, backing its own battered subsidiary over the broader group. Where the market is paralyzed by doubt, Ayala Corporation is buying the weight, confident in a cycle others fear may not turn.